Let's talk about how to install and use the Apexaura mobile phone app. Start by clicking on the link that you received from your friend through a text message, an email, or some other medium. When you click on this app, it will take you to Google Play Store or Apple App Store, from where you will be able to download the Apexaura app. When the app has been downloaded, click on it, and you will be able to see the register option. To register, all you need to do is enter your name, email ID, and your country. Make sure you remember the password that you set up for your account. After agreeing with the terms and conditions of Apexaura and confirming that you are over 18 years of age, click on Create User to create your account. You will now receive an email to confirm your email address. Once you do so, you will receive another email with a unique identification number. Please remember this number, as it will be your Apexaura identification number. Your account has now been set up. You can log into the Apexaura app anytime using your unique ID number and your password. How do I purchase the products? When you log into your app, you will be able to view all the Apexaura products on the home page. You can now select and purchase any product that you wish in your comfort. You can add the selected products to your cart in this manner. Click on the product, select the quantity you want to purchase, and then click on the Add to Cart button. Click on this cart icon to see the summary of all the products you have selected for purchase. On this window, you can also change the quantity of the products and remove a product from the list if you wish to. At the bottom of the summary, you will be able to see the total price of the products along with any applicable discounts and the number of points you received for the purchase. Once you have finalized the selected products, click on the Checkout button at the top. Then click on the Add New button. Here, you can enter the address your order needs to be delivered to and then click on Save. In this same manner, you can enter multiple delivery addresses. Now, in the order summary at the bottom, you will see a display of the total amount you will have to pay, along with the shipping charges. To proceed with the order, you must select a shipping address. When you have done that, you will see that the Place My Order button will now be visible. When you click on it, it will take you to a new window to make the payment. To proceed with the payment, enter your credit or debit card details. When the payment has been processed, the amount will be charged to your card. Checking your order details. By clicking on the My Order button at the bottom of the app, you can view your order's summary. To see the status of your order, you can click on the Order Status button, which will show you the current status and complete details of your order through the View button. Helping your friends purchase Apexaura products. Click on the Business button below. You can create a referral link for your friends, which will help them download the app easily, just like you did. In the text box here, you can confirm where in your business network you would like to allocate your friend to. You can do this by confirming their unique identification number. For example, if you wish to enter a friend under you, enter your number. If your friend's name is John, and you want to join someone under John's network, you must enter his number. Now you can select on which side you wish to enter your friend and then click on Create button. By checking the name, you will be able to confirm that the number entered is correct. Below that, you can see the link to download the app. This link can easily be shared through social media by clicking the Share button. You can also click the Copy button and paste the link to any platform you would like to send it to. My points. The total number of personal points that you have accumulated can be checked at the top of My Points page. In active points, it will indicate the number of points on your left and right sides that you are entitled to receive income. Total group points will show the points you have collected since the beginning in your groups. Further below, you will also be able to view your current rank. At the bottom, you can see the ranks of all the members in both your groups. It will be helpful to you in moving on to your next rank. The Apexaura Wallet. By clicking on the Wallet button below, you will be able to access your Apexaura wallet in the app. On the summary page of the wallet, you will be able to access the balance of your earned income. Further below, you can see a prediction of the payment you will be able to receive on the next day. In the History tab, you can see the income you have earned each day. When you click on the Income tab at the bottom, it will show you all the information about your income, such as the amount you have earned recently and details of the money you have withdrawn. In the Withdrawals tab, you will see all the details of the cash you have requested to be transferred to your account. You can see the entire history of money credited to your account in the Transactions tab. On the Bank Details page, you can update your bank account information to which your income will be credited. Withdrawing bonuses earned by your sales. Through the Withdrawal tab, you will be able to request a withdrawal of the amount you want to be made to your bank account. When making your first withdrawal, you must create a PIN number. This is done as a security measure that we implement to prevent any fraudulent transactions that could be made from your account. To create your PIN, click on the Generate PIN button. A randomly generated PIN number will be emailed to you. Make sure that it is kept safely and confidentially. This PIN will be required every time you make a withdrawal. You will need to enter the PIN each time, which will give us an alert to approve your withdrawal. The amount will be credited to your bank account in a few days.